In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Telegram downloaded files on your PC. First, open the Telegram application on your computer. Let's download this file. Now, right-click on the file and select Show in Folder. It will open your Telegram Downloads folder. You can also click on the three-line menu icon at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, scroll down and click on Advanced. Under Advanced Settings, click on Download Path. Here, you'll see the download location. You'll find your downloaded files in this folder. To open it manually, go to This PC, then click on Downloads from the left sidebar. You'll see a folder named Telegram Desktop. Open that folder, and you'll find all your downloaded Telegram files there. But if you want to choose a different location for each download, turn on Ask Download Path for each file. And that's how you can easily find Telegram downloaded files on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.